Here's the app called Art Tracer, easy photo drawing. So you can just tap Get to install it. So here you can just double click to install it. Art Trace Drawing, unleash your inner artist with AR Drawing, Trace, and Sketch app. AR Drawing, Trace, and Sketch app make it easy to create stunning artwork by blending your drawings with the real world. Whether you're a beginner or just want to have fun with art, AR Drawing will give you the tools to bring your imagination to life. So AR camera, 500 plus drawing templates, create your own artwork, advanced tools, share your masterpieces. Pretty cool app if you like drawing and you just wanna, have some support and help within the app. You can try it out. Unfortunately, there are a lot of ads in this kind of apps. And there is yearly, monthly. It's a bit glitchy. So yeah, you can see this kind of like a cheaper app, and that's just what's happening. So it's a bit glitchy. There are more expensive apps which are higher in top charts, but yeah, this app seems it wasn't really updated. Yeah, by this developer. So
Then you
yeah, that's what it is. Seems it's not really working